Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making baked spaghetti. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my T-fall pan I have preheating here. And I have roughly 3 pounds of ground beef. 2 will do it, just I had 3 I had to use up. Now this pack of ground beef looks a little off compared to this one. The reason being is because this was vacuum packed, and when you draw the oxygen out of the bag, after time the beef turns that color. Now if I would just leave this sit on the counter cut open, that would come back to life and back to color in about an hour or so. But it's still good. I'm going to get the 2 pounds or 3 pounds of ground beef in here. And I'm going to go ahead and brown these up, guys. But like I said, 2 pounds will do, but I have to use up this ground beef here. Alright guys, now that my ground beef is all browned up, and I drained off the excess grease because this wasn't lean ground beef, I'm going to add in a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce. And guys, this is a real quickie here for a weeknight. And I guess I'm what you call an essential worker because me and the wife and my son are still working. So this will help out. I'm going to add in a 10 and 3/4 ounce can of tomato soup. And I'm going to add in a 10 and 3/4 ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. Alright, that's looking good. Put my spoon over here. I'm going to give this a good stir, guys. Get it all mixed up. And I have another can of tomato soup here on standby. I think I'm going to add that in there because this is going to do some time in the oven. And we don't want it to dry up too much. So that's 2 cans of tomato soup, 1 24-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce, and a can of cheddar cheese soup. Now I have a pound of spaghetti here I boiled to the instructions on the back of the box. We're going to get that mixed in. Now what I'm going to do, once I get this all mixed up, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out and we're going to add some cheese on top. Alright guys, now that this went for that 20 minutes, and I forgot to mention I baked it uncovered, I'm going to go in here and give this a stir. Just to get that goodness mixed together. And you can see how my spaghetti is drinking up that sauce. But that's what we want because this is baked spaghetti, it's not regular spaghetti with extra sauce. Dexter, you're just all wound up today. We're under a flash flood warning till 8 o'clock tonight, so I think Dexter knows that's what's up, and he wants me to move his cage up the higher ground. So you want to go up to my bedroom? We're far enough away from the river, we'll be fine, guys. Alright. Now I have some shredded mozzarella cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese you like. It's just I have this mozzarella cheese I have to use up. I'm going to put a healthy coating on top of my spaghetti. I'm going to throw this back in that 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes to melt this cheese up, and then this will be ready to go. Guys, look at how delicious that looks, and it smells like lasagna in here. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now you could probably do this in your pressure cooker, but it's a little tricky with spaghetti in a pressure cooker because it likes to clump up, and this really didn't take that long. What, Dexter? It's really good. The spaghetti's nice and tender. It's nice and creamy from the cheese soup and the tomato soup in there. Go ahead and taste some ground beef with the spaghetti. That's really good, guys, and I didn't add any seasonings to it other than what was in the soups and the sauces. Alright, there you have it, guys. Baked spaghetti. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.